Right. This is where we're at. Getting on with the body, flattening off all these bits and pieces, but also dealing with that. That is the dashboard, right? So, good thing about this, building this Jeep, is that I go across to that other garage and I have another Jeep to look at, right? And take photos and can come back with them. Basically, this dashboard has been altered, right? So I've got holes like that one, for example, that has nothing in it. That hole is not in the other Jeep, yeah? These two are like night lights. They pop out like that. And this hole is not there, but we're going to turn that into a turning light. These are the clocks, yeah? The throttle, the dash lights, which are these two. That's the choke, that's the ignition key, and that switch I've just put in because this is, we don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to rub that down, cut a piece of steel, weld it, flatten it off, and that was nothing. In the other Jeep this is there, and it's a button for the horn, right? But in this Jeep, the horn is on the steering wheel, so we're gonna put the radio switch here. It needs a switch for, we're putting a radio there, which is like a massive World War II radio. It's not like a CD cassette radio, it's a radio. So yeah, and now I was taking this in, I had to take this in bits to, as you can see, yeah, to put it in there. And to do that, I had to drill that hole above it, right? Yeah. So.
David Neal and Barry St Edmunds says there is so much that could go wrong because we were talking in case you just joined us on what.
Yeah, we're on the brink of war again. So that hole I had to drill to be able to put that switch in, right? So I just did that. It's pretty straight and nice. And now I'm going to weld that up. And probably weld that up because we don't have a use for that. That's going to be a turning switch, which is not on the other one, and that's a turning light. So anyhow, and apart from that, I keep going on and on with these bits and pieces, right? So
I don't understand why we need to interfere, having had very little success when we've interfered before. So we've had this a number of times.
We never learn.
This week 3 times. And the calls have just been jammed by people saying, what the hell are we doing? Do we learn nothing? Let's see. Michael Miller in Glasgow. Do you say the same, or do you say we need to get in?
I certainly don't, Jeremy. Syria